All right, this video tutorial is going to be on the Create a Video Message tool. This tool is fantastic for creating video messages to include in your email marketing campaigns or in your social media direct message campaigns. Because what this does, it takes a video and creates a custom URL that works beautifully in a social media direct message, especially a LinkedIn direct message, because it includes a drop down preview with an animated GIF and a play button of the first 3 seconds of your video, same as video email does. So, and then same thing will work for your email marketing client. So let's create a video message. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop in a little subject line. Name this what you want, whether you're utilizing it in an email marketing campaign or you're creating this video for a social media campaign. So name this what you want. Next is you want to include, if you want to, you can include a call to action. You can include the call to action to go to a website address, customize the verbiage that goes over that call to action URL link, or you can even pop in your phone number to this. So, and then what you'll do is you'll click capture video to record a video message, or you can upload a video clip. So if you have a video that's underneath 200 megabytes that you want to include in an email marketing campaign, or you want to include in a social media direct message, you can do that. But I'm going to go over here and show you what it actually looks like once it gets ready to go. So once you create a video, it's going to give you, once your video is created, you can preview the landing page to see where that's going to go to. But down here is where I want to direct you to is the video embed codes that you get. So this copy URL is perfect for social media. So your social media direct messages like sites like LinkedIn, for a video message or a text message in a mobile device as well. So if you have an SMS texting platform, you want to include a video message in, you can actually copy this URL and it's going to work beautifully in an SMS text message. Some phones will actually even drop down this animated GIF with the play button in it. So this right here, copy URL and thumb image, is going to be used for your email marketing campaign. So whatever email marketing client that you use, like a MailChimp or a Constant Contact, there's tons of them out there. I just named a couple. You can take this embed code and pop it in anywhere you want to go. And you'll have the animated GIF with the play button on it. It's really simple, slick, but very powerful tool. And then on top here as well, if you want to turn off the email notifications for this video message, that way you're not inundated with video messages, especially if you shout it out to a lot of people, you can go and just click this and it'll turn off your email notifications, and then simply click this to turn them right back on. Easy breezy. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. The next video tutorial you want to watch is the context module. We'll see you over there.